Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Well, just on the outskirts of Atlantic City. It's a beautiful fall day, end of summer. We're going to head to the Downbeach Seafood Festival. This is a annual event. It's very popular. It's usually very crowded. We'll see how it is today, this being a Sunday. And it's actually held in Ventnor, which is right outside, just a little bit south of Atlantic City. Now, there's supposed to be a lot of restaurants and vendors represented here at the Downbeach Festival, so we're going to check it out, maybe grab a bite, maybe not, depends on what's over there, and or perhaps a drink, we'll see. But in any event, we're going to check out the people, check out the food, check out the drink, check out other things going on there. Let's check out the Downbeach Seafood Festival, shall we? Well, parking is definitely an issue, and so are closed roads. So the closer you get to this festival, the roads will be closed off, and parking is pretty much strictly on side streets. So it's an issue, but I eventually found a spot, and I'm heading towards the park now. This is some kind of a chowder challenge, or a chowder cook-off, if you will. There's lots of people competing and lots of people judging. Doesn't cost anything to judge. You're given a ballot sheet and you try all the chowders you want, and you vote for your favorite, and a winner will be chosen at the end of the festival. There's a little bit of everything here, not just seafood, but some clothing vendors and lots of activities for the kids as well. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Cabby in my latest New York City video, Central Park number 6, part of an 8-part series. Actually, I'm finding out it's going to be 9 parts, so there you go. In any event, congratulations, Deborah. as I was saying, lots of different types of vendors here. Clothing vendors, jewelry vendors, of course food vendors. And not only are the local food vendors represented, but there's a lot of casinos represented here as well, like Ocean, and I believe Resorts is here with Dougherty's. So lots going on, and the place is mobbed. Baloney's. Check out their video here on the New Yawk channel. Behind me is Water Dog, who just recently, like within a day or two, closed their Bally's location. Still don't know why, trying to find out. Hopefully we'll get a reason for it and bring it to you on the New Yawk channel. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. The website says, well-behaved animals are welcome. Would your dog be welcome? Answer truthfully. for better weather. This is the beer tasting tent. You get 10 tickets for $10. You get to sample local breweries from around the New Jersey area. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Downbeach Seafood Festival, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the New York channel if you haven't done so already, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. See you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.